Okay, we're here at GoToMath.com. Click on the algebra. Let's go down to adding and subtracting because we're learning how to add and subtract. Well, we're a little late on that, aren't we? Just kidding. Rational expressions. We have 8x over x squared plus 7x. Did we just do this problem? Because it sure seems like we just did this problem. Oh, it's a minus sign. Okay. But, you know, what's the probability of these same numbers coming up practically? Probability is pretty slim, let me tell you. Ooh, I see something else that's fishy. 72 over... Yeah, pretty slim stuff. Okay. So this one here's kind of tricky. And tricks are for kids, right? Tricks are for rabbits. And the rabbit is about to come out and hide the egg. Alright, so we have 8x over x squared. 7x minus 18. I think everybody kind of gets excited when springtime arrives. At least I do. 17 over 18 minus 7x, because I don't care about cold weather. You can have all you want. You can have it. Alright, let's look at this here. We got, ooh, what? What in the heck? 6? Where did that come from? I meant a 2 and I wrote a 6. Go figure. X squared plus 7x minus 18. In fact, I need to go back and look at that. Wow, okay. Now to get these to be equal to each other, what we could do here is factor out a negative out of this guy right here. So if we pull the negative out, let's do that. Right? That's going to make that negative, that positive, and then close parentheses. See that? Now that's a trick. So we have a negative 18, positive 7x, and positive x squared. But I have a negative here, and we have a minus here. So believe it or not, a minus times a negative is positive. Yeah, positive. And then we have a common denominator. Okay, so we're going to skip a step or two here because you're all grown up now and we can do that. Right, and then since we have a common denominator, we'll write that out. Minus 18. Okay, so you with me so far, hopefully? Now I got a feeling here that, of course, for this to be equal to this, we have to state something about the domain, and I have to say that every time. But we're not talking about that yet. That's later on in the story. Okay, but technically these are not equal when we're doing some canceling here. But all right, so keep that in mind. But anyway, in fact, I'll erase that. I'm going to factor out an 8, and that means we're going to pull that out. X plus 9 over. Okay, and let's go ahead and factor the denominator. I think we did this in the last problem, didn't we? Same numbers, kinda? Was it? Yeah. Holy smokeronies. Okay, so what do we have? We had minus 2 and positive 9, right? Negative 2 times 9 is negative 18. Negative 2 plus 9 is 7. And as you can see here, we can cancel these two guys out. And we will be left with 8 over x minus 2. 8 over x minus 2. Did we get that? 8 over x minus 2, yeah. So like I said, we have to state something that we're not stating here, and that is that x cannot be equal to negative 9. We're leaving that part off, okay? We're just kind of focusing on, let's get this, add these together, and let's cancel out some terms, all right? And we'll talk about that other stuff later, okay? But I got to keep mentioning it because I'm going to get some slack on that from somebody. All right, so we're over here at GoToMath.com, just trying to cover the bases. All right, see you in the next problemo. What time is it anyway? Ooh, we got 23 minutes left of battery life. Whew. All right. See you later.